Welcome back. In this part, we'll try to model the base human body shape. You can check your reference is perfect now. I'll double click on this layer so that I can clearly name it to human body reference. Always try to name it, it's better. Now we'll start modeling. Whenever we start modeling, first of all, we need to create a polygon cylinder in top view. Okay, draw it in top view. Once it is drawn, come back to the side view, move it and place it near the body. In channel editor, go to poly cylinder. Channel editor, you can switch it here. This is channel editor, editor. Click on cylinder, change the subdivision axis to 12. Change the subdivision axis to 12 and subdivision height to 7. Right. Now select this object, go to the top view, switch to the component mode face. So if you hold right click and go to face, drag and select all these faces, delete it. Now if you check here, it's a hollow object. Now we got the cylinder, go to vertex mode, select the first row vertex. I'll move it exactly near, like I can say, mid of the neck. Press E so that you can go to switch to rotation, and if you see here I've selected rotation. I'll move my mouse cursor somewhere else. With the middle mouse button, press and hold it so that you can lock the selection. Scale it, that's R, hold it, scale it. Now scroll down, select the last row points, move it down near the end of the hips, scale it down. Okay, so first thing neck, then hips. Now go up, select the second, this is first, this is the second, move it up, scale it down, little bit of rotation, place it near the start of the neck. Third one, move it up near the chest. We'll add some more segments in the next further detailing of this. Okay, now scroll down here, select this loop, move it down, scale it near the hip. It should be nearly the mid of the hip. Now select the from the bottom, this is the third one, move it down, scale it. This time rotate it downwards like this. Front side should be downwards. Now this one, scale it down, scale it. This is what you should do. Just wait for a couple of seconds so that you can clearly see. This is the first, second, third. We'll add one more loop later. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You must be thinking that, okay, Ram, you have added 7 in height segments. It's 0 plus 7, that's 8. Now go back to the face mode. Sorry. Switch to the front view. Go to the edge mode. If you see here, you need to adjust this segment. So if you double click on this, any of this edge, you can select it. Scale it only in one axis, so X axis. Double click, move it out, move it out. I'm gradually adjusting based on the front profile. Right. Double click on this one, This one I won't keep it here. I'll see that I'll maintain nearly straight line. You should get something like this. Good? Got it? Now hold right leg, go to face mode, drag and select half of the faces, delete it. We'll work on one side, then we'll complete it. Now come back to the perspective view, go to edge mode, select the front and the last, the first and the last edge. Can you see here now clearly? It's turning all the way around. So I select this and this one, go to edit mesh, bridge. Under bridge you should always click on options, open these options, reset it, so that if you change something, please always do reset it. Change the subdivisions, see divisions, it's 5, change it to 3, apply and close it. Okay, there's always some, you'll clearly understand why we are going for 12 and 7 and then 3. Here go to vertex, drag and select all the newly formed vertex here, finish here, come back to the side view, push it down. Okay, now comes the hip area. Now select the last 3 points, can you see? Rotate it upwards like this, move it here, like we can say this is the hip area, so I can say 3/4 or the quarter area. Yes, rotate this one upside, this side, push it up. Okay, if you get some problems, just move this point further up. Okay, now this point, first we'll see only these points. Can you see, you know? Okay, this is a little round now. Once I'm happy with this one, now I'll see that these points are a little bit round. This point, it's round. Now, you see it now? Good. Now select these points, 1, 2 points, move it here. This one, these 2 points should be in the hip area. Now this one just leave it to the center. Got it? Now come to the front view. If you check here, this is what you got for. So select these 2 points, move it all the way here. So if you check here, this area you can see easily, just push it up. Now this looks okay. I just push it up, right, exactly perfect. But once you move it up from front side, this is perfect, but you need to go back to the side view and clean it up. This point, okay, little bit of thickness needed. Now once this is done, go to edge, double click this edge so that you can select the sequence of edge. Can you see here? Inside view, click on extrude. Once you click on extrude, click on move tool. Don't use this move tool, click on move tool. W, move it down, scale it straight. Okay, now scale it down inside, rotate it down. Okay, it's better come to this side here. You should scale it a little bit in one axis. come back here, add one loop which is in edit mesh, insert edge loop tool, scale it straight. Okay, a little bit of scaling, push it forward a bit. Always try to check it in the front view. Now add one more loop here. There's the front view. Just add one loop, come back to the side, scale it a bit out. Here. This looks okay. Now come back here, double this edge, extrude, move it all the way down, rotate it a little bit upwards and scale it. Come back here, push it out here, scale it. Right? Now add one loop here, rotate it down, push it back. Add one more loop, which will be for the calf. Add one more loop here, a little bit of scaling, turning. If you want to check it here, that's perfect. Okay. Now comes, we need to create a foot. To create a foot, you need to create a polygon cube in the top view. Okay. Now come back here. You can see it here. It's perfect, no problem. In here, options, width 1, depth 3. Width 1, depth 3. Come back to the side view, vertex, select this vertex, push it forward, down, move it here, this will go here. Yeah, we'll put it here somewhere here. Right. Now go to face mode, select these two faces, delete it. We'll shape it a little bit. Okay. Now we need to check that the leg and the foot has got the right number of segments, the vertices, so that we can merge. So this is disturbing, so I'm going to shade. I'll switch it off, but still is in X-ray mode, so change it to switch off the X-ray mode. Okay, I did switch off my reference as well as my X-ray. Now if you check here, this leg has got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 points, 8 vertices. But whereas here this has got 1, 2, 3, 6. So we need to go to edit mesh, insert edge loop tool, add one loop here. Right. Good. So before tweaking, I'll just select this tool, adjust, scale a little bit inside, push it down. Okay. Now double click this edge, push it back a little bit wrong. It's always safe. Double this edge, extrude it, then click on W, press move, push it forward. Right. Now select these two objects, that's the body and the foot, mesh, combine. So once you combine, then you can merge the vertex. So if you check here easily, you can clearly understand this vertex and this vertex can easily merge. So I'll go to select these two vertices, go to here, edit mesh, merge to center. Click merge and it blends perfectly. G is for the repeat recent command. So I'll just blending these 2 points gradually. Now G. Now a little bit of tweaking is needed. Now if you come here, select these 2 points, slide it forward. This edge, try to spell a little bit also like this. And if you check here, get back your reference, it has got some curvature, so I'll add one loop, go to vertex, select this vertex, push it inside, this 2 vertex, push it inside. Now we slid around this vertex, move it a little bit up. So if you switch it off, press I, and then click, this is what you put. If you want, you can just select this point, move it up. Okay. I'm happy with it. Now comes the hand and a bit of chest. So switch on your reference. If you check here, we don't have much information for the chest as well as for the hand arm. So I'll add a loop here. Go to vertex. Select the front 2 vertex. Push it forward. Back 2. Push it back. Now, if you see here, these 4 faces, we can extrude for the arm. So select this vertex, move it down, this one up, and if you see, it's blending perfectly with the chest here. Okay, now select these faces. If you come here, switch off this one, scale it flat straight. It's better if you switch it on and come back to the front view. You can see I scale it straight and pull it a little bit out. We'll add the loops and all the things in the next stage. Now add, extrude, push it out, sorry, pull it out. Okay, now click on scale, or scale it down. If you want, you can make a T-pose, but right now this is in a V pose. But what I'll do is I'll try to go with the T-pose. Okay, that's because when we use the motion capture, whatever the motion capture we have or anything else, the T-pose works very well with us. So just push it out like this, come back here, delete these cases we don't need it. Now go to polygons, loop, little bit scaling, add one in a loop. Okay, now double this edge, come back to the front view, extrude, push it forward, pull it forward, scale it a bit down, loop, scale out, and gradually taking those points. Right? If you check here, the only problem is this one. This point is going to. So go to vertex, select this vertex, push it inside like this. The same way here, if you check here. Right? Now select this 2 vertex, down in y-axis, in z-axis. Okay, push it forward. The same thing, you can select these 2 points, push it down in y-axis, push it back. Then gradually move this one a little bit inside. You should always blend it gradually. Right. Now add a loop for the neck. This loop, the only thing which you can do for this right hand is select these 2 edges, push it inside, and let it down. Right? You should get something like this. Right? So we are nearly done with the basic model. So delete the history, save it. Okay, we'll check it out how it looks with this model. So how to duplicate it? Control D and mirror it. And there's one more option. You can go to mesh, mirror geometry, option box. It's -x because it should be -x, and it merges the vertex and everything. That's it. A little bit of tweaking is needed if you check these 2 points here. But right now, that's the next stage. Press 3, see here. Or else you can go to normals, soften the edge. Till now, this is what we did. If you want to check the poly count, go to display, as for display, poly count. Display, as for display, poly count. It's 404 polygons. Okay. Now, in next part, we'll try to work on the hand and bit of shoulders and chest. Okay. See you in the next part. Bye.